What is diabetes? Diabetes is a metabolic disorder that results in high blood sugar levels. There are two types of diabetes. Although type 1 is a more severe form of diabetes, where patients are insulin dependent, type 2 accounts for 90% of the total population of diabetics, and it occurs due to liver resistance to insulin, mostly as a result of poor diet and lack of physical activity. There are over 350 million diabetics worldwide with the unstoppable growth trend, and 11% of the global healthcare budget is spent on diabetes alone. The World Health Organization estimates that 80% of the diabetes occurrences could be prevented if the patients follow a healthy diet, exercise regularly, and check their blood sugar levels daily. Where does the problem lie? Although blood sugar levels are measured with a digital glucometer, patients still manually enter the results in the blood glucose monitoring diaries, which results in unreliable and inaccurate data. As there are 37 different glucometers in the Croatian market alone, it's almost impossible for the doctor to read the data, as every device requires its own cable and software. However, the biggest problem is complications due to the unmonitored diabetes, such as blindness, amputations, kidney failure, heart attack, and stroke. As these complications add up to 86% of the total diabetes costs, which are 3 billion Croatian kuna, in order to minimize them, patients must be provided with more opportunities to measure their blood sugar levels, and doctors need to have ensured data accessibility, regardless of which glucometer is being used. UniGluko system. The solution to this problem is the UniGluko system, the result of many years of research and collaboration with the scientific community funded by the EU funds. UniGluko consists of three main components: UniGluko Clinic, Mobile, and Cloud. The system collects the measurement results from any glucometer and makes them available to both doctors and patients in a secure way. UniGluko Clinic. Every doctor's office that takes care of people with diabetes is the ideal user of the UniGluko Clinic device. Upon entering the doctor's office, the nurse will upload the data from the glucometer during the admission of the patient. This will allow the doctor to fully devote himself to the patient using the previously collected data readings. The end result is more time for the patient, better disease management, and a better quality of life for almost 400,000 people with diabetes in Croatia. UniGluko Mobile. UniGluko Mobile device and application are intended for personal diabetes control. Insert UniGluko Mobile in your smartphone, connect your glucometer, and start data upload. The device is discreetly designed and small, and the mobile application is simple and intuitive, and it allows you to enter additional information about your diet, activity, and therapy. UniGluko Mobile reduces the number of visits to the doctor's office and enables remote health monitoring of children and the elderly, and you can get it in your nearest T-Center. UniGluko Cloud. By using the UniGluko device, all measurement results are stored in the UniGluko Cloud platform. Croatian Telecom provides the service of accessing and exchanging this data, ensuring the security and privacy, thus meeting the requirements for operating under CEZIH. UniGluko Cloud enables generating medical alarms and remote specialist monitoring of the patient. With UniGluko Cloud, all data is in one place, making conducting of the clinical studies possible, as well as managing the diabetes costs in real time.
Korištenje UniGluko sistema omogućava nam više vremena sa našim pacijentima, što pruža kvalitetniju regulaciju i manje komplikacija prilikom očitavanja glukometara.
Sad kad posjetim svog liječnika, moje su mjerenje razine šećera u krvi već tamo, zahvaljujući UniGluku.
For public and personal health, health insurance companies now have the possibility to create supplementary medical insurance policy relating to the regular measurement of the blood sugar levels. Practice has shown, and the research confirmed, that by using the UniGluko system, diabetes control and management is introduced, the probability of complications is reduced, which ultimately means lowering the costs of diabetes. Visit www.unigluko.com to find out more.